Morning all, I just thought I would do a short video of pulling out this huge dent on a Mercedes Sprinter. It's taken it on the swage line, but also it's taken it behind the moulding. I've already pulled along here because that was in. I'm then going to, basically welded a plate, a clamp and a porta power ram. And then, just thought I'd show this dent being pulled out. There we go, there's the first part of it. Just got to be careful not to overdo it. And then I'm going to tap this area with a hammer and then work along this edge to try and get it as flat as straight as possible. Right, welcome back. We're ready for the second pull. I don't know if you can zoom in a bit, but I welded on a longer plate now to pull it over a larger area. Watch this space. Oh. Right. See it sort of like twitching down there. Right. That's under quite a bit of tension now, and that's actually pulled. You have to over pull it because it always springs back. Oh, that's going really nice. So I've got to tap that high spot out. Now that's pulled, this high spot needs to be worked down, and that's going down quite nicely. This is how I imagined it in my head it was going to go, but you never know until you actually start. But then we've just got to keep moving all the way along now. But yeah, it's looking a lot better. Look, that shape's already coming back. Whereas it's concave there when it should be concave, concave, convex. There's a dent in the corner which we'll do separately, but yeah, really pleased with that. Right, we're on to the third pull now. We're just working along this edge. I've moved the plate along, welded it, and now there's some pumping action. I hope the camera picks it up because, yeah, it's moving quite a bit. Oh. Oh. Right. Now I need to tap along this edge. Right. Just let it off the ram. Make sure we haven't stretched it too much. And it's pretty good if you look down there. It's quite straight from where we started. And now obviously we're still in here, but yeah, looking good. Right, another round of pulling. We'll keep going with this. It's starting to take shape now. Hopefully the last of this dent's going to pop out. So, you ready? Are you watching? Oh, something's happening. Oh. it's not quite as easy to straighten, so I'll set it back up and we'll do another instalment, I think. There's a small dish in there that hasn't come out, but might have to do a separate pull on there. But this was obviously to get that line back and yeah, get rid of all this high spot. So I'm going to work this out a little bit more, and then we'll put another pull on here. And then I think there's just sort of 3 sort of dents to work out, 3 smaller dents rather than a great big dish along the side of the panel. So yeah, really pleased with that so far.